Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by signing into Dropbox. Use the app or web interface so you can access sharing controls quickly. Once logged in, navigate to the specific folder or create it now because sharing works at the folder level. Make an early decision about permissions. Choose whether recipients should be able to edit or only view, since that affects collaboration and security. While you're here, confirm your account email and any team spaces, which will help avoid sending invites to the wrong workspace. Once you've chosen the folder, right-click it or tap the share icon to open the sharing dialog. Now add people by entering emails or create a shareable link if you need broader access. Make sure to set access level to either can edit or can view because that controls file changes. Before sending, add a brief message explaining purpose. If security requires it, enable link expiration or a password so access remains controlled. Then review the list of recipients to avoid mistakes. Finish by clicking Send for direct invites or copy link to paste elsewhere. Recipients will get email or link access right away. After sending, verify at least one recipient can open and, if applicable, edit files so collaboration starts smoothly. If someone reports problems, first confirm you used the correct email address and permission setting. Also check the folder's sync status and your account limits. If a shared link fails, regenerate it or adjust password and expiration settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.